Hello friends, today's topic is gears. Where are gears needed? A gear is a mechanical device that transfers rotating motion and powers from one part of a machine to another. Gears are a set of wheels of different sizes that run together. They make it easier to cycle uphill or accelerate a car from a standstill. Gears are produced in a wide range of sizes and vary greatly in use. Tiny gears drive the hands of a watch, whereas huge gears turn the propeller of a supertanker. Interlocking gears wheels are used in a huge range of machines that from cars to cameras. The wheels transit movement as well as control their speed. A simple gear consists of a metal wheel or a disc with slots called teeth around the edge. The teeth of one gear fit together with the teeth of another gear. Each gear has a metal axle in the middle. The axle of one gear is connected to an electric motor. When the power axle turns, its gear turns and that causes second gear to rotate in the opposite direction.